started recording now. I think now the camera. Okay, now. So let's see how the position of the camera is. The mic is already set. Now for vlogging on GoPro camera, I have set the DJI mic and as well as the receiver. So let's see how the voice is recording now compared to the clarity when I had done it without that mic. Just the media mod, there was a lot of wind noise and it was not recording properly. Hopefully it should be better this time, but I still have my own doubts. Let us check this time and see how it comes when high speed. The wind noise, will it cut off? I put a dead cat also on the mic, so it should considerably reduce the wind noise. So the position also is quite okay. Let me start the ride and check it up. Let's see how it performs. If this is good, then I will continue try to vlog in the same setup, because I've got I think I've got two set of DJI mics with the receivers. That is one receiver, two mics, another set of one receiver and two mics. So I'd got for a friend, but then there was some issue, I couldn't give it to him, so I have retained both. So I can actually do a proper vlog setup, and then even on GoPro handheld, GoPro 11. This is GoPro 8. So GoPro 11 we can set up that another DJI mic and receiver, so that for handheld vlogging also it will be convenient. So let's see how it goes. I think now my view now it should be better. The road has to be seen as well as the horizon, and the bike, if it is too much or disproportionate, it may not look nice. I think the bike is more now. Let me just push back the camera. I think this is a better view, but because of the cable, it is obstructing. I don't know how far I can do justice to this. Chalo, let's try and see how much it will move. Now I've started from my home, Murgeshpalya Vinternal Road, planning to take Old Airport Road and then go towards Sadashiv Nagar, maybe from there Yeshwanthpur, and then maybe try to take the Tumkur or Hassan Road. Let's see how the traffic is. Depending on that, we'll make the move. Now I feel the recording should be happening good. Let me see. Again, I feel the bike is shown too much. Now how is it? I don't know. Let me check. I think initial teething trouble is happening. May take some time for me to get a proper setting. I think I have actually mounted my mic onto the shin mount loop actually, and the receiver is actually mounted on the GoPro itself by way of connecting it by way of with the horseshoe. So that is fine, but because of the cable, I am not able to move the camera a little more upward. If I move upward, I think the horizon will be better. Now the horizon is a little compromised, so let's see what to do. is given. I think this view should be good, but unfortunately I'm not able to hold it up. Let me see. The bike has seen more. Get this back. I think I'll have to push this more. Now I think it is little better. Chalo, let's see how it goes. I've reached Damlur. There is enough traffic. Unable to move freely. चलो भाई चलते हैं. Let's see how I'll be able to go. चलो भाई चलो. I think this is a proper view, but what is happening is, I think this is good, but only because of this cable touching is I'm having a problem. That shouldn't be an issue. I am able to tackle. Oh man, so mic is set. Let me see how much I'll be able to record. Looks okay. Let me see the view. Okay. Chalo, I've reached Command Hospital. Command Hospital Air Force. You can see the board there. Pretty okay. Traffic is not bad. Not too much. Hopefully I should be able to reach. Okay. The bike is in too much. I think I need to reset this. Unless and until the camera comes little more closer, it will not do justice. So let me see what to do. I think I can only pull this maximum so much. This is the maximum I'm able to pull. Okay, it's green light now. तुम देखो सीने से लगा लेंगा, तुमको मैं चुरा लूँगा, तुमसे मैं छिपा लूँगा, ऐसे न मुझे तुम देखो सीने से लगा लेंगा, तो मैं चुरा लूँगा. तो I think the traffic is too much. Reaching Baycount office now.